Hello everyone. Welcome to Goodwill's presentation of the newest feature recently added to our GIGA mobile app called InvestorAi. So what is InvestorAi? As the name suggests, InvestorAi is an AI engine which has been trained to analyze market data and provide insights for stocks that may demonstrate short or medium-term upside potential. It analyzes a host of data points which is physically impossible for a person to track and comes up with insights regarding stocks in a brief and intuitive manner. Data analysis is carried out in a scale which is impossible for a human being. The result of this AI analysis is then made available to you in the form of short or medium-term insights. A short-term insight is generated once the AI engine recognizes a stock that has gathered upside momentum and may give you up to 3% absolute returns over the next 30 days, while a medium-term insight will present you with high-quality stocks that have recently become undervalued as compared to its peers based on past 10 years data. Now, let us move on to a brief demo of the free version of InvestorAi. First and foremost, you need to log into your GIGA mobile app, after which you will receive a prompt at the bottom asking you to avail the free trial for InvestorAi. Just click on yes, and then you will be redirected to a terms and conditions page, which you can then agree to by clicking on I accept. After this, you will be redirected to the AI watchlist, which will be made available to you. This watchlist will have only 2 scripts for which insights have been generated. It may either be one short and one medium-term insight, or it may both end up being either short-term or medium-term insights. You may click on any of the available insights to view the related data. Currently, as you can see, we have one short-term insight and one medium-term insight available to us. You may click on any of the available insights to view the related data. Let us now click on the short-term insight, that is Sanghi Ind. As you can see, as soon as we click on the script, you will be redirected to a tab called AI Signal. Under this tab, a host of data related to the signal generated will be made available to you. In case of a short-term insight, you will be able to view the date the insight was generated, the price at which said insight was generated, the alpha score, the 7-day trend, the age of insight, number of days left till expiry of said insight, along with the percentage returns from the day the insight was generated to present day. For details regarding various parameters, simply click on the information or I button for the definition. For example, if you would like to know what an alpha score is, just click on the I button beside it. A definition will pop up from the bottom, which will give you an approximate idea to what the alpha score denotes. Click on OK to make the pop-up disappear. Also included in case of short-term insights is something called the caution price. Investors may expect a reversal in trend in case the price breaches the caution price, so they should be very careful in case the stock price is moving towards it. Also, once the mentioned caution price is reached, the short-term insight will then be removed from the list of insights. Now let us go back to the AI watchlist and take a look at the AI Signal tab for a medium-term insight, which is GIGA in this case. As you can see, the date of insight, the price at which the insight was generated, the age of insight, as well as the number of days left for the insight are mentioned here. Also mentioned is the returns seen in this script from the day the insight was generated. Since medium-term insights are more of a valuation play, no caution price is mentioned as the duration for the insight is longer. As a matter of fact, for fundamentally sound, undervalued stocks, a down move may actually end up making the stock more attractive, as it increases upside potential in case of recovery in stock price. With this, we come to an end of our demo of the free version of InvestorAi and move on to some important questions. First and foremost, how much does the paid subscription of InvestorAi cost, and what are the features made available to a paying client? To answer your question, the paid subscription offers 3 plans as follows: a 3-month plan for Rs 1,499, a 6-month plan for Rs 2,799, and finally an annual plan priced at Rs 5,199, in which all prices are inclusive of GST. The features for the paid subscription includes access to all insights generated by the AI engine. Insights find you wherein AI signals appear all across GIGA app. For example, in your dashboard next to news events related to a script, the AI signal will show up in case an insight is generated for it. Watch list or basically anywhere in the app where said script is available, it will be highlighted by an AI tag. InvestorAi can also be used to get a bigger picture of market trends across your preferred stock categories. Now let us move on to a demo of the paid subscription of InvestorAi. Now let us toggle back to the GIGA mobile app. As you can see here, the subscribe now option is available in multiple places across our mobile trading app. For example, it is currently available in the AI signal tab. It can also be seen from the AI watch list. You can also access it by clicking on the three lines you see on top and clicking on InvestorAi. Scroll down to the bottom, check out all the terms and conditions and choose your package accordingly. For now, I'll be subscribing to the annual plan of Rs 5,199. Select the plan and just click on subscribe. You will now receive a prompt to confirm your subscription. Please click on yes. Wait for a bit. As you can see now, the subscription is successful. Please make a note here that the subscription amount will get deducted directly from your trading ledger so that the activation of the service is immediate and seamless. As you can see now, once you click on back, the AI watch list has been updated with all the scripts that have been selected by the AI engine. These insights will now follow you everywhere. Go to the dashboard and news events with related scripts shortlisted by the AI engine will be marked with an AI symbol, as you can see here in case of Power Finance. Scripts from your watch list as well, for which AI signal has been generated, will also be highlighted. As you can see here, the iOS script which was already available in my watch list now has a medium-term insight tag beside it. This trigger could finally push you to invest in said stock given that the AI insight is in line with your analysis. As a matter of fact, you can use the AI signal to filter out stocks from your watch list that may see an upward momentum in the next 30 to 90 days. Clicking on the script will redirect you to the AI signal tab, which has now been updated to reflect stocks from similar industries which have been witnessing an upward momentum. ONGC has been showing a similar upward movement from a similar category of stocks. Even searching for scripts from the search tab will highlight stocks which have insights related to it generated by the AI engine. For example, as you can see here, SBIN has been highlighted. Click on it and it will redirect you to the AI signal tab. Now that we are done with the demo of the paid version of InvestorAi, let us move on to some frequently asked questions. So, what has the performance of InvestorAi been like till date? Since April 2021, a total of 96 medium-term insights had been generated, which gave positive returns 50% of the times, with average returns of 4.71% per insight over 3 months. In the same time period, 1,117 short-term insights had been generated, with 68% of the stocks giving returns of 3% or more, with average return per insight being 2.28% over 30 days or a month. Which segment does InvestorAi serve? InvestorAi only generates short and medium-term insights for the equity cash segment. Short-term insights are for a period of 30 days, while medium-term insights are for a period of 90 days. This AI engine cannot be used for F&O trades. How many scripts does InvestorAi cover? As of now, 650 scripts with recent liquidity are covered by InvestorAi. Can InvestorAi place orders automatically? No. InvestorAi is not a trading bot. Hence, it cannot place orders automatically. InvestorAi is akin to your personal AI investment analyst that suggests and highlights profitable opportunities in which you could take calculated risks. With this, we have come to an end of our explanation of this great new innovative tool which brings an AI investment analyst to your fingertips. Thank you. For any support regarding InvestorAi, please feel free to call us at 044 4032 9988. You may also email us at investorai@gwcindia.in or visit us at gwcindia.in and chat with us for further details. Thank you once again.